Outlook Sync lets you synchronize Microsoft Outlook contact and calendar data with Abacus name and event data. A two-way synchronization sends Outlook data to Abacus and Abacus data to Outlook. A one-way synchronization removes all Outlook data and sends Abacus data to Outlook. Important: events and names deleted in AbacusLaw are not synced with Outlook, meaning that deleted events and names will still appear in Outlook even after a sync. Similarly, deleted items in Outlook are not synced with AbacusLaw. Select File, Setup, User Preferences. The User Preferences window appears. Select the Outlook Sync tab. Select Outlook Local and click Setup. The Outlook Sync Setup window appears. Under Sync At, check Startup to perform an Outlook synchronization every time AbacusLaw is started. Check Shut Down to perform an Outlook synchronization every time AbacusLaw is exited. For Sync Every, select the time period between automatic Outlook synchronizations. Select 0 if you do not want to automate the Outlook sync process. Check to create a Windows scheduled task to sync Abacus to Outlook. This runs on schedule even when you are logged out. Then click Credentials and enter your username and password. Select the Name Sync tab. This tab controls the synchronization of names and name notes. Check to not sync names and name notes. Otherwise, complete the settings on the tab. Choose the direction of sync information. Send information from Outlook to AbacusLaw and from AbacusLaw to Outlook, or send information only to Outlook from AbacusLaw. Note: one-way syncs are safer since one-way syncs cannot propagate bad data to Abacus and duplicates cannot occur. Enter the number of name notes that will be transferred during the synchronization. The limit is 9. Select the note type to be automatically assigned to new name notes transferred. With name notes, if you already have existing notes synced in from AbacusLaw on your synced Outlook, new notes added to Outlook will not be transferred. New notes up to the limit will come in from AbacusLaw, however. Check to include personal, private, and confidential names in the synchronization. Check to include contacts with a blank last name. Select if the synced address fields are for home or business. Create or select a query to receive just a subset of names. For example, often attorneys limit their phone contacts to just names where they appear on the name as the attorney. Select the Event Sync tab. This tab controls the synchronization of events. Check to not sync events. Otherwise, complete the settings on the tab. Choose the sync direction for event data. Select the Who code to be assigned to new events and new to-do events entered in Outlook. Select the What code to be assigned to new events entered in Outlook. Select the What code to be assigned to new to-do events entered in Outlook. Check to have alarms that have been set in AbacusLaw also pop up in Outlook. Check to sync events in AbacusLaw that have to do entered in the time field. Check to include personal, private, and confidential events in the synchronization. Check to be able to bill a particular event in Outlook. Create or select a query to limit events with times transferred to Outlook. Create or select a query to limit to-do events transferred to Outlook. Select the Phone Mapping tab. This tab lets you map where phone numbers are placed in Abacus. Mapped phone numbers will be set appropriately for the phone number fields in Outlook. Select the Sync Options tab. Select Run Full Sync to perform the initial Outlook sync. Select whether you want Outlook data merged into Abacus or deleted and replaced by the Abacus data. Click Done. After the initial sync, you can perform Outlook syncs anytime you like to keep your data up to date. To perform an Outlook sync, select File, Synchronize, Outlook Sync, Sync Now.